What's up, everyone? This is Sonic 3D Blasted here. I'm on the Manhattan-bound R train. Where I left Court Street. The next stop is going to be Whitehall Street. That means we're leaving Brooklyn and entering Manhattan. Right now, I'm in the process of helping a person get to 5th Avenue, 59th Street. Okay, we are now leaving Whitehall Street. That means we're right in Manhattan. The next stop is Rector Street. Okay, we are now leaving 57th Street, 7th Avenue. That means the next stop is 5th Avenue, 59th Street. It's Samuel. 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 It's Samuel. Samuel.
Oh, Sam.
Yeah.
I'm Hilda.
Oh,
Nice to meet you.
yeah.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. That's it for this adventure. This is Sonic 3D Blasted. I'll see you next time.